Hi everyone, I want to show you something today what is really interesting. As you know by the title, it will be about this bike. This bike costed me around 60 zloty. It is close to 10-15 US dollars. It is really nice. I guess it is from the 90s. But one thing I wanted to have a bike computer on it. And this bike computer was really that was the cheapest I could find online, and this is cheapest bike computer I think from China. It isn't even branded. It has two buttons, as you can see. Okay, this bike works really good, and this is how the bike computer works. It works just perfect. Well, sorry for everything. As you see, this bike computer has like a few functions, not so much. Light is in there. This is distance, and this is like obviously speed. Distance is showing right now. What does it? I don't know. This is average speed, time, distance. Okay, really perfect match as for me. And this doesn't do much. Aha, it goes around. Fuck. I can adjust something. Okay, and that's for this video. I wanted to have a cheap bike because all these fancy new gravel bikes and things like that so expensive, unnecessary, and really good bikes are standing there and no one is riding on them. That's why I thought to myself, okay, I want to make a big trip and I don't need a lot of money for that. I can put it, and this is it. That's why this is the bicycle I have right now. Bicycle costed me around 50 bucks plus these 4 bucks for the counter, and in the common video, if you want to, I would be mounting on it like cargo rack and some bags to make this journey on the bike possible. This is really nice and fun way to work on small projects, and hope you can find some cheap bike as well you can ride on. Enjoy.